Thinking about using AYYCOEYA.com? Hold up. Before you hand over your hard-earned cash, let's see if this site is a legitimate opportunity or just another scam waiting to happen. First, let's take a close look at their website. We need to analyze its structure and claims. Pay attention to the language used, the overall design, and how transparent they are about their business model. Do they explain clearly how you'll make money? Be wary of vague descriptions and promises of guaranteed profits. Next, we need to investigate their domain registration. Tools like UA can tell us when the website was created and who owns it. If the website is relatively new or the owner information is hidden, that's a red flag. Established, legitimate businesses usually have transparent registration details. Now, let's see what others are saying. Search for reviews of AYYCOEYA.com on trusted platforms like Trustpilot, Citajabber, or even YouTube. Be careful of fake reviews, but look for patterns in the feedback. Are people reporting problems with withdrawals, poor customer service, or misleading information? Time for a broader search. Google AYYCOEYA.com along with words like scam, review, or complaint. See what kind of news articles, forum discussions, or blog posts pop up. Even a few negative results should give you pause and warrant further investigation. Ultimately, the decision is yours. But, by following these steps, you're much more likely to avoid getting scammed. Always do your own research and be skeptical of anything that sounds too good to be true.